Hello everyone. In this video we are gonna do the writing skill. This writing skill is for grade 3, 4, 5 and 6. It might be a little bit difficult for grade 3, but it can be done. Yeah. For 5, 6 it's an easy task. So we look at the email. Yeah? We have to write an email to your friend Robin. Yeah, who is Robin? Is your best friend. I don't know if you have a friend named Robin, but you can think of a friend, or if you want, you can think of your sister, brother, mother name like Robin. Yeah, so don't worry about the name. You can use your imagination. Think your best friend is Robin. So what do you have to write in this email? About your favorite music. Read the email from your English friend Robin. So you have to answer this question that Robin asked you. So Robin said here, I really like listening to music. What kind of music do you like? What is your favorite band, singer or singer? If you don't have a band and you have a singer, then write a singer. How many of their albums do you have? If you don't have an album, you might watch them on YouTube, so you can write that. So your email back to Robin has to have 25 words or more, but not less. Now let's look at the email and decide is present, past or future. So by the look of it, it looks like it's in present, so we have to use present simple. Yeah. When you make sentence in present simple, we use subject. So who is the subject of this email? Should be Robin. Yeah. The easiest sentence in English has a subject, a verb and an object or adjective. Yeah? So the subject is Robin plus, let's say, verb, let's say like, and the object, Robert likes, and the object, music. So this one is the easiest sentence in English. So knowing that, we can write our email back to Robin. When we start an email, we should start with something like that. Dear Robin. Because we have to write 25 words or more, we have to use our imagination a little bit. So you can say that you're very happy to receive the email from him. So I am very happy for your email. Yeah. So Robin said there, I really like listening to music. Do you like listening to music? Probably yes. So I really like listening to music too. Why you like to listen to music? Because it makes me happy. Let's make the email longer. When are you listening to music, and where are you listening to music? I am listening to music when I relax. Where you listen, I usually listen in my bedroom. Let's put an end there. And I usually listen in my bedroom. Now let's go to the second question. The second question is, what kind of music do you like? My favorite kind of music is pop, rock, and not only. Yeah. So I like pop, I like rock, and not only. But in here you don't have to write the same. If you don't like rock, so don't write it. Don't write it. Yeah? You write what kind of music is your favorite. Now let's go next. Who is your favorite band or singer? For example, me, I have many. So, but I'm gonna mention two of them maybe. My favorite band is Imagine Dragon and Sia. Yeah. So I answer the second question. Now the third question. How many of their albums do you have? Me, I don't have any albums because I listen one and two. So I can say to Robin, I don't have any albums with them, but I always listen to their music on YouTube. Yeah. So pretty much this is it. Let's see if we have 25 words. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27. Oh, we have many more. We have much more than 25. So pretty much this is it, the email to Robin. Now to end up our email, sincerely, and write your nickname, but better don't write your real nickname. So, Brian, let's say my name is Brian. Yeah. So sincerely, Brian. Yeah. So this is it, the email to our friend Robin. You don't have to write like this. Yeah. Use your own words. Use your imagination. Okay, pretty much this is it. Try, yeah. Even if you make mistakes, but we always learn from our mistakes. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Thank you very much. If you enjoy this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and see you again next time.